Cats. They have been living with us, with humanity, like 4,000 years. Today, I will try to convince Ella cats are useless. Hello, Ella. Welcome to our Topcast. How are you today?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm okay. I'm really curious that whether you are going to convince me cats are useful or I will be successful.
I don't think you will achieve your goal because I love cats and I think all humanity love cats, but they don't know that they're loving the cats. We have a long history with cats. As you said, we have been with the cats since we were the humans.
Okay, let's see. As you know, cats sleep like 16 hours a day. So, unlike some other animals, they do not have specific skills or perform tasks that are directly beneficial to humans.
I strongly disagree with you. They have very talented animals. They can climb easily to the walls and they easily can scare the dogs.
The dogs.
Yes, the dogs.
Okay, I thought that it was ducks, quack, quack, quack. Yeah, probably.
Dogs are included too.
Dogs are included. Ducks are included too. Okay. But, I don't agree with you because when they try to climb the walls of our house, probably we are all going to see scratches on our walls.
Yes, it's true, but it's because they're used to live in a house. They're not in a wild environment, so they can't protect, they can't keep their talents, abilities with them.
That is what I'm trying to say. In a farmhouse, yes, they can collect mice. They are good hunters because
Yes.
they're useful. But thinking about our modern cats living in our houses with us, maybe they are thinking that we are their slaves. Yeah, we don't use their talents in our homes. Why do we feed them? Why do you have cats, by the way?
Yes, I have 5 cats.
Okay, why do you have 5 cats?
It's because their talent is not limited with the hunting or climbing, the things that make them survive in a wild environment. Also, they have talents like cuteness or with love. It's proven, by the way. It's proven by the research. They have a positive impact on human psychology. They make humans' emotions more calm and they can reduce the human stress.
So can we tell that this is a potential health advantage for us?
Yes, it's absolutely true.
Okay, talking about health advantage, what about their hair? As you see, I have 2 cats, by the way. As you see, I have white hair all on my cardigan.
Yes.
So maybe during the night, they sleep with us.
Yes.
And we inhale their hair into our lungs.
I don't think it's a big risk for our health because I never seen research about it at the net or at any social media. And this is a disadvantage. I agree with you about the cat hair. But if you compare with the advantages of cats, like I said, the psychological advantage, I think it's worth it.
We are very happy with all those murr sounds then.
Yes, absolutely.
And that works all those hair.
Yes.
I can't believe you are looking after 5 cats because I have 2 cats and it is already expensive. All those cat litter, cat food, the veterinary cares like vaccines.
Expenses.
And yes, medicines, expenses, lots of expenses. How do you manage looking after 5 cats?
Actually, yes, it's a expensive thing to look after for 5 cats. But at the end of the day, we love all of them. We can just give away one of them. We just can't, so we have to.
They are like your siblings.
Yes, they're like a member of our family.
So, why don't you think adopting a dog instead of cats? Because, dogs are more communicative when compared to cats, actually. They react everything. But when you talk to a cat, they just look at you. Maybe, yeah, you just pet them a few minutes, but then they take their leave and start sleeping again. Dogs are not like that. Dogs are always tended to play with you, to communicate with you. They love you, they adore you. But you love cats.
Yes, there is 2 reasons for that. When you have a dog, you have to go for a walk with them. I mean, you have to take your dog to the outside and take a walk every day. It's a need for dogs. And other reason is dogs are bigger than the cats. You need a bigger home.
My last claim. Cats are destructive. thinking about all the destroyed sofas and furnitures in my house, I'm not planning to buy until they die a new sofa or anything new as a furniture because they always try to relax their nails.
Yes.
And I don't want to shorten them because it is their instinct. They need to get relaxed. But at the end,
Your sofas are
yeah,
ruined.
my sofas are gone. They're just old sofas, although they are 3 years old. So what do you think about this destructive behavior? They exhibit behavior that damages property.
There are some toys for them to relax their nails. Instead of getting a new sofa, you can get a 5 Turkish liras toy to relax them.
Wow.
And that'll be enough.
I wish my problem would be solved with 5 Turkish liras toy. But it wouldn't, of course. Sometimes, as I have 2 cats, they start suddenly running. For example, they're just sitting down on their then suddenly start running in our corridor,
Yes.
destroying everything. Not everything, but all those carpets just scattered around. And if there's a vase or something breakable in front of them, it's
Yeah.
broken too.
Yes. It's the truth, actually. It's the truth that sometimes cats are not predictable. They have not predictable acts. But it's what they make you feel beautiful
All right.
to take care of them. They're not predictable.
That's
So
what makes them dangerous.
dangerous too, but that's not a bad feature, I think. I mean, that's the beauty of the thing.
Okay. Sometimes they start staring blankly into the wall. Onto the wall, I'm sorry. They just stare and stare. And my grandmother always say, the genes have arrived. They're looking to the genes. They can see genes. What do you
Yes.
think about this feature?
I think the cat's imagination is much more bigger than us. They just, as you said, they just can look to the wall for hours and just start to run at home.
Don't you feel weird when they look blankly to the walls?
It's weird, but it's good too. I mean, that's
Okay.
not a bad thing for me.
All right. What do you think about their sleeping behavior? They are nocturnal animals. They are naturally to hunt during nights. So they do not fit to live or to sleep with the humans. Because my cats, whenever I sleep, they just wake up. So we are living in different cycles of day. What about your cats?
My cats are same too. Yes, I agree with you. To wake up at the middle of the night is not very comfortable. But sometimes I just relax when I watching them sleeping peacefully. And most of the time they're sleeping peacefully. So
When they're sleeping, I'm not sitting on their face. But when I sleep, they come and sit on my face, literally.
Yeah.
I don't want to see a cat sitting on my face in the middle of the night while I'm sleeping.
It's a behavior of love, I think.
They can sit in front of my foot near my bed, but why do they prefer my face? I don't know that.
They're showing you their love.
By sitting on my face.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I'm a cat person and I really love cats. But I just want to make you corner. I was really curious about your answers and I am satisfied that cats are lovable creatures. They're affectionate and because of affection, love, passion, we live together with them.
Yes, I agree with you.
Thank you sharing your precious ideas with us.
I thank you very much too.
This is the end of our Topcast. See you next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye.